I finally did it. I finished my brother's bathroom, so it's time for the bathroom reveal. I've been working on this, well, I've been trying to work on this since probably September, and then in November I was determined to do it, and then I did nothing. So in January I did all of it, and I'm so excited to share it with you. It's a tiny little space, and I made a bunch of DIYs to share with you, but I'm really excited with how it turned out, and so is my brother, so. So for the medicine cabinet, I've already started obviously, but I sanded down the wood trim and then I taped everything off, and now I'm just going to paint it black. Now I'm going to take apart the old light cover that's broken, and I'm going to try to replace it with the new piece that I cut. And then as a super simple update, I'm just going to change out the hardware for something a little bit more modern, and then it will tie in the black medicine cabinet as well. So now I'm just going to use a magic eraser to clean up the floor, and then I'll let it dry and then I'll start styling.